how you doing today? This is Mario from StrengtheningLessons.com, and today I want to talk to you about your pick. When it comes to holding it, that is. Generally when you're first starting out, or even if you've been playing for a while, if you find that strumming chords and through the strings is a little difficult, it could be because of the way you're holding your pick, and it could be that simple. So why don't we take a look at that? When we're strumming our guitar, we tend to hold our pick straight and towards the sound hole. Okay, so let's say if you're holding yours straight towards the sound hole and you haven't done it any other way, chances are you're having more difficulty strumming, and let me show you why. Because when you're holding your pick straight, you can try it out with me, when you're strumming a chord, the pick is dropping in between the strings too deeply. You may not realize it, but that's what's taking place. As you're strumming down, even if you're strumming slow or fast, that's what happens. So to kind of help this, what we're going to do is we're going to take our pick, put it at about a 15-degree angle away from you. Okay, and then what's going to happen then is your pick has more room to slide across the strings instead of dropping down in them. You can see how that is. Excuse me, it's working a lot smoother. So it'd be up to you really to find which angle to keep your pick at that works best for you, and you'll feel the difference pretty much immediately. So try it out, try as an experiment. Try with your pick straight, pointing right at the sound hole, and go straight down the strings and see how that feels. Then after a few times doing that, put it at a little angle, a little different, and then try it again. And you'll find that it goes much smoother, much better, and it'll sound better. And as another tip, try not to keep a grip. Usually beginners, they'll try to grip too hard because they're just trying to hang on to the pick without dropping it, or especially if it goes in the sound hole, that's a lot of fun. You want to just kind of loosen up your hand. Okay, I know sometimes it's a little nerve-wracking when you're trying to strum through a chord or trying to do the strings and hold the pick at the same time. That's okay, but try to leave a little bit of relaxation in your hand. It'll help ease some tension in your body, help you learn a little better, and you won't have so much frustration if you are having any at all. All right, this is Mario from StrengtheningLessons.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.